What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Finally I got my front lip spoiler, so today we're gonna install it, okay? Let's go ahead and do it. Okay guys, this is the one I made. So it's already, I scratched this a lot. This one I've been holding pretty good, but it's now to upgrade to a better one, okay? So let's open the new one. Okay, this is my new front lip, so let's unbox it. This is the brand Icon Motorsport. So let's open and let's see how to open this. Okay guys, this is the new front lip. I already opened the door so you can see it better. Okay, as you can see it's pretty cool. This one will fit the 2017 till 2019 Corolla SE or XSE. Okay, for the previous for the different models, I'm gonna put the links for the other models on the description of the video so you can get it. Okay, so this one is the lip. In the bottom, let's see the bottom. Okay, it looks pretty thick. The thickness is thick, and it has marks for the screws. You can see it there. Those are the marks for the screws. So I think I have 13 marks. So I'm gonna use 13 screws, but I might put more. Maybe one more here, another mark, because I don't want this thing to fall while I'm driving. And also, you will need a double-sided tape. Double-sided tape. I have a little bit, I don't have enough for the whole thing, but I'm gonna use just that. I hope it will work. If not, I'm gonna get another one. Okay, so that's my old, now it's the old front lip spoiler. Okay, that's the one I made, but nice. Now it's time to get a new one, to upgrade to a better one. Okay, I think I'm gonna wrap it first and then I'm gonna install it. This one you can wrap it on gloss black, carbon, any color that you want. Okay, all right, let's do it. So here you can see, okay, right now it's showing 4 inches a gap because it's on the driveway, but it's around 3.5 and 4 inches. Okay. The first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it, but clean it very good because it has like a oil on top, and with that oil the vinyl is not gonna stick. Okay, so clean it with alcohol first and then you can wrap it. Okay, this is the final wrap. This is how it looks. This is the seam. It has a seam over here, I don't know if you can see it. Right there. So on the front is perfect, but on the sides has wrinkles, but this one is gonna be under the bumper, so nobody's gonna see it. Right there. And on the bottom has some wrinkles, but it's okay, it's gonna be under the car. Okay, so now it's time to install it, but the thing is it's raining, so I don't want to get wet. The car is all wet. Now let's put the lip on the car. Okay guys, as you can see, I already removed it. I'm ready to put it on, but I'm gonna put a double side tape on in here. I'm gonna put a double side tape so it will stick better all the way here to the back. Okay, and I removed my license plate because it's not gonna fit with this one. I have to figure out another way. I think I'm just gonna put it here with some cable ties. I'm gonna hold it like that. Okay. Okay, it's already on the bumper. You can see, let me show you the screws. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, right there you can see the screws. I think if you want to put it from the center, it's very hard. So it's better if you put it on one side and then screw one, the way I did it, or like the way you saw it on the video. Then put the screw on the one side, and then you start putting all the screws all the way to this side. So that way you can align it with the bumper. It's not the alignment is not perfect, but it's better than the one I had before. Okay, let's see the outside. Let's see how it looks outside. So now the distance. Oh wow. is 4.5 inches, so the other one was 4 inches, so this one is 4 inches, I mean half inch higher. Okay, that's good for me. Okay guys, here you can see how it looks, the lip spoiler. It looks super cool. It changes the car looks a lot. So it's a little bit hard in this area to wrap it, but it's alright. You can poke all the bubbles out, but you can see it there. Looks super cool. I'm gonna put the links, okay, so you can check it out on the description. Okay guys, that's the new front lip spoiler for my Corolla. I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video for more for all the Corolla's spoilers, okay? It's gonna be on the description. Let me know what you guys think about this spoiler. I think it looks super cool. Now it's an upgrade for me. But if you like the video, please like the video, and if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.